Hey, welcome back to Master Nut Garage. I'm Andrew. I know it's been a while. It's probably been over a year. I don't know. But I got some good news and some cool news. A lot has happened over the last year. I got my hands fixed, and I got a shop.
I am never gonna financially recover from this.
So that's the shop. 3 bays. So I got one light up. I got 2 more to go. I got the kits, but also I bought this thing. This is my new daily
Blah blah blah.
This is my new daily driver. That's gonna be just work truck. I need to take something, tow something. That's what that's there for now. The Caprice is right there. It's been sitting. The most I've worked on it over the past year or so is I aired up the tires 2 days ago. So that's going great. Yeah, I got YouTuber lights. So I'm an official YouTuber. I also want to say thanks to all the new subscribers. We hit over 1,000. I think we're over 1,100 now, which is awesome. But yeah, that's awesome. Thanks, guys. And then also,
I ain't got a good brain.
I guess I'll give you guys a tour of the shop. So here's the new Crown Vic, new used. Used to be a police interceptor. So it used to be white, but now it's black. We got a little dent over here. We got a dent over there. And if you can see over there, there's a fender and there's a door. So I'm gonna replace on those. It has some misfires on cylinders 6 and 8. So I have, if you can see right there, that's coils and plugs. So that's going in there today probably. I have some stuff over here. There's a leg. Those are the 2 other light kits that I have to put together. That's a parts washer, X dishwasher. That's a couch. You guys want to buy a couch? I have a couch. Sell it to you for dirt cheap. Here's a random toolbox. It's like one of my first toolboxes. So it's got a bunch of stuff in there that's useless and useful.
Blah blah blah.
That's my first air compressor. Well, second air compressor. Not free. That's really hard. That's a good thing. There's one box. That's my second toolbox, maybe. I don't know. I can't keep track. There's a bunch of stuff on this table. This was my father-in-law's. And I got it after he passed. Great guy, he built 2 of these. These are like, hey, what terms is supposed to get like steel work? These things, it's got 4 by 4s as legs, and then like it's massive, whatever, like 8" by 2 deal, and then thick, like 3/4 inch plywood. But you could put a car on this thing.
You are fake news.
I bought an air compressor. Needs belts, and it needs to be wired in. I have a tubing bender. That thing needs a cylinder. Shop fridge. There's a door. Here's a table. That's the other guy. That's, I don't know. Name them in the comments. Yeah, so I had a guy come over and tune on this thing. And he's figuring it out because he's never used the Terminator system from Holly. He's used to HP tuners. So I'm letting him fart around on this thing. I'm cool with it. He's a good guy. Yeah, so he's doing that. He's doing it all for free because he just wants to learn. So I want to say big shout out to the guys who did the concrete. His name's Sean Gardner, and his company is Crazy About Concrete, and he's crazy about concrete. We have a 6-inch slab. It's 30 by 40, 6 inches thick, so we can put a lift on probably in this bay or that bay over there. I'm not sure yet. Speaking of lifts, I bought a lift. I'll probably be getting it in the next couple weeks, but I bought a lift. It's a 2-post lift, and we'll be putting that in here within the next few months or so. Yeah, so a lot of things happening, a lot of chaos, but we're making it happen. So I guess I'll show you guys from the outside. It's, you know, if you've seen one, whoa, I almost died. If you've seen one shop, you've seen them all pretty much. So here's the front of the shop. It's right next to the house, which is great. So yeah, that's the shop. That's concrete. That's Crown Vic. That's the Dodge Grand Caravan with the push bar on it. I push things out of the way with that thing. Yeah, so this is just a quick update video. Just wanted to let you guys know what's going on. I know a video that Mikey filmed and then I edited, it got like 3,700 views in, I don't know, like a week and a half or so, something like that. I got mud all over my Crocs, my brand new Crocs. So that's the update. We're still I'm still going to go over to Mikey's and help him with the Studebaker Lark. We'll body swap that Studebaker Lark on a Honda Accord chassis. Yeah, thanks for, you know, the support. I'm trying to make it happen, and we're gonna make it happen, Captain. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. I guess you know, always gotta get on going, get on down the road. All right, bye-bye.
Revving engines, making it good. Service fighter drops by with a grin. Gotta wait a oil change, where do I begin? I got grease on my hands, can't you see? That waiter's not a priority for me. Waiter's gonna wait, I'm on a roll. 15 hours deep, I'm in control. The waiter oil change, not in my sight.